is Maradi Amfal Haidara, and I am a tutor of dissemination of the ideals and principles of International Red Cross and Red Crescent Movement, and of course, a volunteer of the Gambia Red Cross Society through the Kanafi Municipal Red Cross Bank. So the reason why I am making this video is because many people, especially volunteers, have asked me a lot on how to create an online platform where you can be able to learn Red Cross courses that are available on the learning platform. You might know that IFRC has the learning platform, which has over 400 Red Cross courses, and these courses, some are short, some are kind of long, and at the end of the course, you have to do a quiz. When you pass the quiz, you are certified. So I just want to show you some of the certificates that I have received. So you can see this certificate was received through my training, and this one too, you can see ISCRC and IFRC. But that's not the focus here. The focus is about to learn new knowledge about the movement we all belong to. So I want to show you a step by step on how to make this thing happen, because people say that they have experienced a lot of difficulties in trying to get into it. So first of all, I would recommend you to do this on a PC, whether it's desktop or laptop, because I've tried, and many also have tried to do it on their mobile phone, but the experience was very bad. But you still want to do it on mobile phone, you will not have a good experience, but you can use the Puffin browser, Puffin Puffin, Puffin browser. But if you want to do it on PC, I also recommend Google Chrome, yeah, because the application, sorry, the site has Flash Share, and with Google Chrome, you just need an extension of Flash Share into it, so you don't have to suffer much. So let's get into it. Let me just show you step by step. First, you can go to Google Chrome or any browser that you are comfortable with. Like I said, this learning platform is compatible with Google Chrome than any other browser. But if you still thinking that other browsers will be fine, you can still do it. So first you go to the search bar. You can put there www if you want, or you can go, let me say www ifrc.csod.com. So this is the shortcode. It will take you straight to the site. You can still go to ifrc.org, then go to learn platform, but this is shortest way. So you can take it ifrc.csod.com, then click enter and search for it. So it's like my internet is not that much good, but still it's loading. Yeah, I can see it loading. So while it is loading, we can talk about the learning platform. So you see the network is very poor. I'm not sure how much it will take for this to run. ifrc.sod.com. So it's loading forever. Yes. That's how bad the network is. Hopefully it will allow us to go on with it sometimes, but you see still is refusing to do so. Mama Benin, some Benin. Okay, so let's see if it will work again because it has been giving me tough time. Like I said, the shortcut, you just go to the search bar and search for and type ifrc.csod.com. That's the shortcut. ifrc.csod.com. That's the shortcut to the learning platform. So let's hope that this time it will come. Yeah, hopefully it's loading at least better than it was. So still loading. Mm, I hope it will come now, even though it's still loading. Yeah, so this course is actually, or let me say, this platform is actually fantastic. You have just more than 400 courses that you need to learn. Some courses are purely red course related courses, and others are for personal development. So this is just one of the best platforms that red course could ever have. So you see it's coming now. Still don't know why the network is poor. So this is the landing page of the site. So you can see it's automatically it has automatically inserted my username and my password. So what you do when you come here, since you don't have an account yet, you just come to this register and click on register so you can also register your account. But if you already have the account, you just have to enter your username and password. So let's go to the registration panel. It's going to be a very quick one. There's just a little bit of problem that many people have faced. So that's what I want to tackle here. Then we can go to another phase after doing the course, completing it, doing your exam and assessment. Then how do you print your certificate? That's another complicated area because you need to do certain things to be able to view your certificate. And the best thing is whether you download the certificate, it got lost, it doesn't matter because Learning Platform will always have your certificates on their site. So this is the panel, as you can see, first name, last name, email address. So let's start just by filling it randomly. Like I said, I already have this account, but let me still put my first name. Let's say Marabi Amfal is my first name. Then you have Haidara. Yes, my email is Marabi Sarif. And be very careful the email that you put there. If the email is not correct, yeah, it's not going to work. And sometimes you have problem with Gmails. I don't know why. Sometimes when you register with Gmail, you have problem, but it can always be solved. And your email address will surely be your username. So don't be confused. So language, yeah, UK English is fine. So I am affiliated as, we are affiliated in different categories as far as it concerned. Some of us are volunteers, others are members, others are staff, others are just. So let me see the category they have here. So you see, volunteer of Red Cross and Red Crescent National Society, staff of Red Cross and Red Crescent, or you are staff of IFRC, staff of ICRC, or you are staff of United Nations organizations, staff of non-for-profit making organization, and others. So if you are like me, a volunteer of the Gambia Red Cross Society or of any national society in the world, just choose the first one. Click on the first one, volunteer of arts in National Society. Yeah, and if you are a staff, obviously you click on staff. If you are working with ICRC, you have the third one. If IFRC, if you are not affiliated with Red Cross, then the other partners of Red Cross are here, United Nations or staff of non-profit or other. If your category is not here, you just click on other. But for me, let me just click on volunteer. So here is the issue, this division, because when you look at it, you might think that it's nothing, but division really is very important. If you don't feel this division, you will actually not be able to create an account here. So division really means where you live, that is your country of residence. So you click on this icon to go to division, so it pop-ups another bar for you. So sometimes it takes time to load depending on your network. So I'm expecting it to load slower and takes a little bit of time because my network is very poor here. Yeah, is it still loading? Okay, it's here. So you see the title, you have Afghanistan, their ID is AF, parent. So if my mind can start well, if you're from the Gambia, it should be 7, but notwithstanding, let's just search for Gambia and search. So if you think it will take time to scroll down to your country of residence, you just have to search for it, and that is it. I think I also struggle a lot when I reach at this stage, having to search for Gambia. Say, Gambia is not here. What is this? The whole Gambia is Gambia is here. So it's loading, right? Yes. So you see Gambia is here now, and the country ID is GM. So Gambia. So what you do, you see now if I hover the how to call it, the arrow on Gambia, it turns blue with underline. So you have to click it twice. You have to click using the right click twice. You right click it, sorry, left click. Okay, I'm a left-handed person. So you left click it twice. So you are done with this one. So let me see. Let me click it twice. You see that is done. Now you see the icon has changed. Gambia has come for that icon, then delete icon. Maybe you made mistake, you want to click on another your country, you click on another country, so you can delete it and do it again. So if you want, you can agree to receive information by email, or maybe you are not interested to receive any information, but I would recommend you leave it to yes. So if there are any update, if there are any new courses, they will also inform you about it. So we go to password. So you see, whenever you see password in any platform, you have to read the instruction first because they have rules. So this one, they say the password must be 4 to 20 characters. So meaning minimum of 4 characters and maximum of 20 characters. So there cannot be spaces in password. You cannot write 123 space 000. Password should not have spacing. And password cannot be the same as username, user ID or email. So meaning your your how to call it, your username cannot be your password, your email cannot be your password, your ID cannot be your password. So you have to use something different. So when you enter your first password, the second one too, enter it there. Like I said, I already have this, so I don't need to created. So you see how easy it is to create this account. You are done. Just all you need to do is log in. If you log in, your account will be created. Then you will see that order bar. So when you see it, what you need to put there to start the course is this email address and the password you provided here. So for me, I already have this account. So I say already a user, let me go to login. But let me know if you have any problem with it. So I will clarify it for you. So I'm going back to the login dashboard so I can show you other things that are important for this platform. Loading, still loading. Network infrastructure is really bad. Yeah. So while it is loading, we can talk about other things about this platform. Okay, if I didn't say that, so you won't come. So you see, we have user ID and we have password. Like I said before, user ID is your email address that you provided during the registration stage and the password too. So you see mine, I put it on automatic, so it will come here by default. So this is my username and this is my password. So just go and click on login. So the platform has really transformed. I think because when I was starting it, is it in 2017 or 18, it was fine, but now it's more than fine. Changed so many things, the outlook, the interface. It's really cool to be upgrading your site. So it's still going. Um, I'm not sure how long this also would take. So you see, it's frustrating when the network is full. You want to do so many things, but network is not allowing you to do that. But that is what it is. There is nothing we can do about it. Ah, an ode to our volunteers. To view this inspiring video, click here. You see, I've never seen this one before. So, an ode to our volunteers. I will not click on this today. Maybe another time because it's not why I'm here today. So let's remove this one from there. So you see now they pop up some courses here. You can click, you see secondary data review and analysis. So you know these ones are not really, they are not purely red course, but they also help you the 8 step for hygiene promotion. And so there are a whole lot of courses that you can do here. Let me go down. You see first aid for adult is here, first aid for babies and children, change is here, counseling is here. Stay safe. That was my favorite course. Stay safe. Yeah. Public health, volunteer branch. So I cannot tell you the courses that I had. They're just too much courses that you can do. Coronavirus. Mm, stay safe. Personal. The wall of red course. Yes. So this is what I've been looking for, and it is here. Like anybody, I recommended this course. Who I always recommend the one they should start with, and that is this course. The wall of red course for one genuine reason. This course here, the wall of red course. Okay, this is Spanish version. So if you are Spanish, you can do that. We are English speaking country, so I have to search for English one, or I can even go to search bar and search it. but I hope it's there. You see, code of conduct is there. So let's hope this one is English. Okay, Spanish. So I have to search for for English. The wall. So you can search anything here. The wall of red calls. So the wall of red calls, you see, yeah, another thing about this thing, sharing red calls on social media. I've never seen this on a social media guys. So maybe I have to do this course later. Yeah, so let's go back to real. So it is provided in multiple languages. We have English, we have French, we have Spanish, we have Arabic, and I'm seeing Swedish today for the first time. So that is how diversified this platform. So World of Red Cross is actually talks about everything about the Red Cross. So in the Gambia, we can call it dissemination on this cause, but it is much more than that. And the other thing why you should start with Wall of Red Cross is because Wall of Red Cross is longer than any other course in this platform. I believe Wall of Red Cross is 6 hours. And the most important thing about Wall of Red Cross is any other course that you are going to do on this platform has some elements of Wall of Red Cross. It either is the origin of the movement, the emblem, the principle, the component, the code of conduct. You can't escape it. So once you do a wall of red course, any other course that you are doing, you will understand it far better because you've already done those topics on wall of red course. So you'll understand it. But if you start with other courses, you might not be able to understand them. So I always advise people to do all. So how do you start course here? So you just click on the course that you want to study and you request for it. When you request for it, you launch that particular course. So I already did this one. So all I need to do is just to launch it. This was the first one I did, and it's very interesting. Honestly, you need to try it. Uh, loading. So still loading, right? Yeah, it's loading. Let's hope that it will come faster. I don't know why network is bad. Is it Saturday or is it QCell or is it the country itself? This shouldn't have taken much more of our time, but I believe it worth it. Yeah, we just have to be patient and wait for it. Okay, it's coming out. Oh, is it loading again? Mm. So it's actually my view completion page completed. Status complete because I've already done this course. So if you have never done it, what you need to do is you just come here, show more, and see people are reviewing it, and you will see something around here. Here, it will ask you request. So you request for the course, then bump, you have the course here. And once you have the course, all you need to do is just to launch it. So let me go to my training record. Guys, this site is interesting, honestly, this platform. especially if you're a Red Cross volunteer, you really have a huge opportunity here. So don't let it go away. Learn as much as you can. And you can always back your knowledge here because they provide you with free certificates. Everything is free. You learn for free, get certificates for free. So everything is free. I think that's a way of motivating us volunteers because we provide our services for free. Oh, so you can see these are the courses that I'm yet to do. First aid for babies and children, first aid for adults, change counseling. So I already did project plan essential in leadership, stay safe, community-based public health. So I already did this. So you can see you open the curriculum or you launch it. For some of them are curriculum because they are very huge and lengthy. So the short ones you see, you just have to launch. So let me just launch this one. Mm, first aid for adults. Let me launch that one. So you see, they are very fair. First aid for babies and children, and also first aid for adults. So meaning the way we administer first aid on babies and children is totally different from the way we do it on adults. Mm, launch. So I'm launching it. So you see, it's loading. So it will bring a new window. So it will leave this window totally and bring another window for me. Mm, you are still loading. So it's like we just have to be patient with it because it's still loading. So guys, this is it. This is how it looks like. English, Spanish, and French. So just go agree here. The bottom, just click on agree. This page will not be translated. Yeah, don't worry, not interested in translating it. So you see loading title, one moment, please. So it will open up a new window from this one. You see now we have two windows. You see this is our window, but then it pop up this window for us. So let's give it a time and see loading again. So guys, this is learning forever.